You'll get to know the 9 rules of money which the rich follow, but you don't. You actually don't know these rules. Thus, watch this video till the end to know all these. Now let's start. Rule number 1. Cultivate the skill of spending less than you earn. Living below your means is not about sacrificing your enjoyment. Rather, it involves making intentional spending decisions that support your future financial objectives. Consider your income as an asset for wealth accumulation instead of merely a means to indulge in expenditures. Begin by monitoring all your expenditures for a month and subsequently classify your spending into essential needs and discretionary items. The objective is to establish a secure financial buffer that enables you to save and invest regularly. This approach assists in pinpointing opportunities to cut expenses while maintaining your standard of living. To cultivate this habit, it's essential to change your perspective from perceiving savings as a loss to recognizing it as an investment in your future self. By consistently allocating a portion of your income before engaging in expenditures, you prioritize wealth accumulation instead of treating it as a secondary concern. Rule number 2. Optimize your financial resources through thoughtful investment. Building wealth involves making informed decisions about your finances and ensuring that your investments grow steadily over time. Grasping the concept of compounding gains is essential. This program transforms ordinary savings into substantial wealth over the long term. Concentrate on creating a well-rounded investment strategy that aligns with your comfort level regarding risk and your investment timeline. This could involve a combination of equities, fixed income securities, and property investments. It is advisable to refrain from attempting to time the market unless you have a well-defined strategy that offers a competitive advantage, and to avoid pursuing popular investments that claim to deliver rapid returns. It may be beneficial to collaborate with a professional to create an investment plan that suits your objectives. They can assist you in managing market fluctuations and guide you in making well-informed decisions regarding asset allocation and rebalancing. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more money rules. Rule number 3. Accelerate your career by embracing ongoing education. Your ability to generate income is closely linked to the skills and knowledge you possess in the current information-driven market. In today's fast-changing job market, ongoing education is not just a choice. It is crucial for maintaining your competitiveness and enhancing your earning capacity. Allocate your time wisely to enhance skills that are currently sought after in your field. Consider pursuing courses, obtaining certifications, or acquiring hands-on experience through side projects. Concentrate on developing competencies that offer enduring value and are not easily subject to automation or outsourcing. Viewing professional development as an investment in yourself is essential. The benefits frequently manifest as promotions, salary increases, and new opportunities that can greatly influence your path to building wealth. Rule number 4. Establish diverse income sources for enhanced financial stability. Diversifying your income sources is essential in today's dynamic economy to mitigate risk. It may be beneficial to explore the creation of supplementary income sources through side ventures, freelance opportunities, or passive investment strategies that can enhance your financial security and promote growth. Begin with manageable steps and concentrate on fields where you possess knowledge or a keen passion. It is essential to establish income streams that are sustainable and have the potential for growth over time, while also allowing you to conserve your energy. Every new income source ought to be designed for scalability and should demand a reduced direct time commitment as it develops. With the advancements in digital platforms and technology, generating supplementary income streams has become more accessible than ever before. Consider evaluating various avenues such as online enterprises, content generation, or real estate investments that resonate with your expertise and passions. Rule number 5: leverage debt as a resource, not a liability. Not all debt is detrimental. Certain types can be beneficial for wealth accumulation when approached with strategy and thoughtful planning. When effectively managed, a mortgage on a carefully selected property or a business loan for a robust venture can serve as a powerful asset for wealth accumulation. It is essential to differentiate between debt that can yield positive returns and debt that may deplete your financial resources. It is essential to establish a well-defined repayment strategy and steer clear of high-interest debt, as it can significantly undermine your efforts to build wealth. Utilizing debt strategically can enhance your ability to build wealth, but it is essential to manage it diligently and conduct regular assessments. Establish specific criteria for utilizing debt and determine the suitable level of leverage for your circumstances. Rule number 6: safeguard your assets with strategic protection approaches. Wealth creation involves not only the process of accumulation, but also the essential aspect of safeguarding your assets through effective risk management strategies. It is essential to ensure you have sufficient insurance coverage, which encompasses health, life, and disability insurance. Estate planning is an essential strategy for safeguarding your wealth and ensuring it benefits future generations. Evaluate legal structures such as trusts or LLCs to determine if they suit your wealth protection objectives and future aspirations. It is essential to periodically assess your protection strategies to ensure they are in harmony with your evolving circumstances and financial status. As your wealth increases, it is essential to adapt your protection strategies to align with your changing financial landscape. Rule number 7: enhance your tax strategy for optimal wealth preservation. Incorporating a tax strategy into your wealth building plan from the outset is essential for maximizing your financial potential. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts such as 401k and IRA to enhance your potential for long-term wealth growth. Evaluate the timing of your income and deductions to effectively reduce your tax liability within legal parameters. Collaborating with a knowledgeable tax expert can uncover avenues for optimizing your tax strategy tailored to your unique circumstances while ensuring adherence to tax regulations. Grasping the tax consequences of various investment and business choices can greatly influence your financial prosperity. It's essential to keep abreast of any changes in tax laws that could impact your wealth accumulation approach. Rule number 8: cultivate a long-term perspective like the affluent. Creating significant wealth necessitates a commitment to patience and a focus on long-term strategies that transcend temporary market changes. It is essential to maintain your focus on your objectives, especially in times of market volatility or economic challenges. Cultivate the emotional resilience necessary to refrain from panic selling during market downturns and to avoid making hasty financial choices influenced by fleeting market fluctuations. Adopting a long-term perspective is essential for maintaining your dedication to a wealth-building strategy, especially during different market fluctuations. Recognizing that the journey to financial growth is a long-term commitment rather than a quick race is essential for keeping a balanced outlook during difficult periods. Emphasize the importance of making steady advancements instead of striving for flawless outcomes, and take the time to acknowledge and appreciate minor achievements. Rule number 9: cultivate a network of partners for financial success. Success seldom occurs in a vacuum. and the journey to building wealth is no different. Establish connections with mentors who have reached the financial milestones you aspire to achieve, as they can offer valuable insights drawn from their own experiences. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the worst money habits that are keeping you broke and poor. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 10,000 subscribers.